ready to drop bombs, but he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud, he opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking now, everybody's choking now. The clock's run out, time's up, over, flat. Get back to reality. Oh, there goes the silence. Oh, there goes the
You're not who I was.
Somebody would have told me, babe, that someday these would be the good old days. All the love you will forget, and all these reckless nights you regret. Somebody's gonna know what you're saying. You miss the magic of the devil.
We get old. Maybe we're still young. Maybe always look back and think it was better than it was. Maybe these are the moments. Maybe I'm missing it in some time. Been scared of the future, thinking about the past. Still missing that moment. We've come so far.
The moment you own it, you better never let it go. You only get one shot, do not miss a chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself in the music. The moment you own it, you better never let it go. You only get one shot, do not miss a chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. Yo.
We bringing 88 back. Bring your hood, see where the bass at. Champagne spilling, you should taste it. I'm so fancy. You already know I am the best thing.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
To both of you.
Yes,
Seriously.
absolutely.
This was fun. This was a party,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Oh yeah,
I did
we had a
too.
blast.
All right. So, first of all, thank you so much for letting us be a part of your special day.
Absolutely.
And I enjoyed. There was a lot of love in this room
Yeah.
tonight.
Yes.
And I'm so glad I was a part of that. I'm just curious, what did you guys like the best? What was the best part for you two?
Oh my gosh.
The best part for me, I'll speak for myself.
Other than marrying her.
Yeah, that's number one. Number two was hearing the speeches from my brothers,
Yeah.
from my dad.
Yes.
That was
hearing their heartfelt
special.
feelings. That was incredibly powerful for me.
Yeah, that was pretty intense.
Yeah.
What about for you?
Oh my gosh. I'm still taking it all in, honestly.
Yes.
I think just having everyone I love in one room.
Yes.
Yeah. It's just, yeah.
I'm proud of the fact that you're happy, like we're happy. It really pleases us to please you. Thank you again. As I said, first anniversary party. We are totally down. We are totally
Okay.
down. Have a great evening.
Yes.
Congratulations on your
Thank
new life.
you.
Cheers.
Thank you. Thank you so
Yeah.
much. All right.
Appreciate it.
Thank you guys.
Yeah.
So happy.